Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Really quick, free sauce. If you guys want to short Bitcoin miners, I think now's the time to do it. I'm running right now, so that's why you can hear me like this. Uh, oh shit, I think that's a raccoon. But again, Ethereum on the weekly looks like it's about to go bearish. Give us a bearish trigger on the weekly. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you can already see like a medium tail on the weekly trigger or on the candle. So I guess this week, next week, Bitcoin closes a bear week, and you know it's it's looking like Bitcoin miners are gonna retrace super hard, probably within the next month. After this trigger hits. So some quick free sauce. I'll update you guys when the trigger actually closes. Bye.